everyone, Wheelie here. Today we're heading out on one of my favorite loops in North San Diego County. We're going to ride through Valley View, cut through Rincon, head west through beautiful Pauma Valley to Pala. This is some of the best riding Southern California has to offer. And my GTS 300 is perfect for a ride like this because we've got some twisty mountain roads, some open stretches, and plenty of elevation changes. Okay, so I'm going to start this ride in Valley View, which is this really cool little community tucked away in the hills between Escondido and Valley Center. A lot of people don't even know it exists unless you live out here. This whole area used to be primarily agriculture, avocado groves, citrus orchards, cattle ranches. You can still see a lot of that today. It's got that rural California vibe that's getting harder and harder to find in San Diego County. And what I love about these roads is they're smooth enough for the Vespa, but they've got character. Gentle curves, elevation changes, and on a clear day like today, the views are just incredible. We're heading towards Rincon now. This is where the road gets a little more interesting. A few more twists and turns as we get into the higher elevations. this tiny little spot on the map. Blink and you'll miss it, but it's the gateway to some really beautiful backcountry. This is where you really start to feel like you're getting away from the city, even though we're only about 20 minutes from Escondido. One thing I've learned riding these back roads on the Vespa, you notice things you'd never see in a car. The smell of the sage, the temperature changes as you go through different microclimates, the way the light hits these hills in the afternoon. This whole area is part of the larger Palomar mountain region. Now, we're not going to go all the way up to the observatory today, but you can feel that mountain influence. Cooler air, thicker vegetation, just a different ecosystem than down in the valleys. Okay, now we're headed west into Pauma Valley, and this is one of my favorite stretches because the road opens up a bit and you just get these sweeping views of the valley floor. Pauma Valley is known for a few things: avocados, citrus, and the Pauma Band of Luiseño Indians Reservation. There's also a casino here, actually a few casinos if that's your thing, but honestly, I'm just here for the roads and the scenery. The valley sits at about 1,500 feet elevation, surrounded by hills, really mountains, on all sides. It's got its own little microclimate, warm days, cool nights, and that's why agriculture does so well out here. The avocados you buy at the store, there's a good chance they came from somewhere around here. 76 towards Paula. The road winds through some really pretty ranch country, and you start to see more development as we get closer to the Paula area. This whole region is steeped in history. The Luceño people have lived here for thousands of years. And just like that, we're in Paula, and this was about a 15-mile ride in total, though you'll need to factor in the ride out to Valley View and then the ride home from Paula. So maybe an hour with a couple stops, but it's worth every minute. This is what I love about riding in San Diego County. You can start in the city, and within 30 minutes, you're in the mountains, the desert, or out here in these beautiful agriculture valleys. It's all right here. If you're local and you haven't explored this area, I highly recommend it. The roads are great for bikes, scooters, or even a scenic drive. Just take your time and enjoy it. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this ride, hit the like button and subscribe for more Southern California scenic tours. And I'd love to hear what's your favorite back road in San Diego County. I'm always looking for new routes to explore. Drop me a comment. I'd love to hear. Until next time, keep riding, keep exploring, and remember, it's not a moped. Ciao!